How to change graphic settings for smooth gameplay in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to make Wuthering Waves run smoother on your Android device or your iOS device, here's how you can do it inside the game. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game on your device, and once you're inside the gameplay section, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button in circle, this one over here. After you do that, you'll open this terminal tab where you'll need to tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. You'll then end up in this page where you'll need to select this little tab on the left corner right below the music note icon, and this will open this basic tab where you'll need to go to graphic quality. For the best performance, go ahead and select the ultra performance or the performance option. For balanced performance, you can select the balance option. The lowest you select, the smoothest gameplay you'll be able to experience. If you go to medium or balanced option and above that, you'll get better visuals with decent FPS. Just set the graphic quality depending upon your device's performance, which is balanced in my case right now. You'll be able to see this current setup load at the top of the screen, which will tell you which graphic quality is best for you. Right after you do that, go to the resolution tab right underneath and select it to low or medium for best performance. If the game is laggy, then you can choose the low option. This will decrease the resolution and this will lower the resolution, and it will provide a big FPS boost. Now scroll down to shadow quality and set it to low, and right next to special effect quality, set it to low or medium. Now go to the bloom option and set the bloom option to off, and now click on this apply recommended settings at the bottom right corner and click on confirm. Right after you do that, the changes will be applied to your game and you have successfully changed your graphic settings in Wuthering Waves for smooth gameplay. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.